This toilet has completely ruined us. We used to be really humble people, but more on that later. But y'all, we DIY'd the whole thing ourselves, but the real star of the show is the Casta Diva Max Smart Toilet. My hubby, who has flipped entire houses before, said this was the easiest toilet install he has ever done in his entire life. There was no drama, no leaks. It came with everything that you're going to need to install it. Literally took us less than 15 minutes. And now our half bath went from a straight up hot mess to really amazing luxury vibes. Don't forget to stick around to the end. I'll take you through the entire install process just so you can see how straightforward it actually was. I used to think a toilet was just a toilet, but I was wrong, so very wrong. So go ahead and share this with any of those holdouts that you know of that are still using a 1995 toilet like it's cutting edge technology from the dial-up era. As a nurse of 18 years and a mom of 4 wild ones, hygiene is very important to me. It is a non-negotiable in my household. If I had to choose just one standout feature from this toilet, I would say it is its intuitive hygiene features. It makes everything feel so much cleaner without any of the extra work.
First off, the no-touch everything, amazing. The lid auto opens when you approach, inviting you over. No hands are needed. And for the guys, there's just a quick kick to the foot sensor right here at the bottom right, and then the seat lifts up touch-free. So no more fingerprints, no more accidental touches. It's perfect when you're trying to keep your hands mostly germ-free. Then there's the electrolyzed water mist that sprays before and after each use. It's like a built-in sanitizer. It breaks down bacteria on a molecular level for that extra clean feel. Pair that with the foam shield dispenser and it creates a bubbly barrier in the bowl to trap odors and prevent splashes. Genius for a family bathroom where things can get, messy. And don't get me started on the UV light sterilization. It zaps germs between uses, keeping the bowl fresh without me having to scrub constantly. The deodorizer kicks in automatically and the whole thing self-cleans with that mist cycle. As a nurse, this level of built-in hygiene gives me peace of mind.
Now for my second favorite feature. It is the spa-like amenities that you're going to get that turn a little bit of a bathroom break into a luxury spa moment, especially after chasing 4 kids around all day. I deserve that, right?
The heated seat is top tier, guys. It warms up in seconds with adjustable temps, so no more shockingly cold cheeks in the morning. The heated bidet water, it's warm, gentle sprays that feel soothing and not startling. Adjustable pressure, positions, and water temperature for whatever you need. The oscillating and massage modes in the bidet takes the cleanliness and comfort factor to the next level. It's complete with an air dryer for fully hands-free finish. We have cut down on our total household toilet paper usage all because of this gem right here. And y'all, I'm practically blind without my glasses or contacts, so the nightlight has been a huge blessing. It's this soft, ambient lighting that glows gently, enough to see without turning on the harsh overhead, perfect for those middle of the night bathroom trips without fumbling around in the dark, trying not to wake up the whole house. Then you have a very quiet but powerful flush that feels premium, but it doesn't echo through the walls. It's all these little touches that make our half bath feel like a retreat instead of just functional.
We have 2 other bathrooms in this household, and this is the one that we all gravitate to. We will hike all the way across the house just to use this thing right here, which is why this toilet has completely ruined us. We've seen the future, and we can never go back. All right, now let's talk about the wireless remote, because once you have this little gadget in your hand, you'll wonder how you ever did anything without it. It is wireless. It comes with a handy little wall holder. We just kind of use our ledge for it, but it controls every single feature that you're going to use in your toilet without you having to twist around to hit the side button mid-use.
The main buttons are super intuitive. The big ones right there are for rear wash, front wash, so you can get your feminine care, dryer, flush, and stop. So you do one little press on any of those buttons and you're in business. The temp controls are for the water temp, the seat temp, and the air dryer temp. There are 3 levels on each, so you can dial in exactly what feels right for you. And then there's a 4-season comfort mode that automatically adjusts the water temp, the seat temp, and the air temp based on the ambient room temperature. How cool is that? So during these temperatures, it can be manually overridden, but once you leave the seat, the system will revert back to the 4-season comfort mode when it's turned on. The power-saving eco mode, when turned on, will decrease your seat temperature to a low setting and hold it there about 30 minutes after you leave the seat just to save energy. So here you have nozzle positioning and water pressure adjustments. You can move it forward or backward, up and down, stronger or softer. Then you have an oscillating mode where it goes back and forth spraying, and a massage mode. It does kind of like a pulsing. They're both right there too. It feels a little like a spa session without leaving the house, and it reduces your toilet paper usage. So you have a lid seat open and close button on the top, and then you can short press those to open or close the lid or the seat manually if you want to override the auto sensor.
Honestly, the remote makes the whole experience feel so effortless. The side knob is necessary only for those like mid-use moments where you don't have the remote, but the remote is next level convenient. All right, y'all, because I'm not here to sugarcoat things as a nurse who's seen it all and a mom who's dealt with plenty of bathroom disasters in her lifetime, this Casta Diva toilet is amazing, but like any kind of technology that you're going to deal with, it has some drawbacks. Here are the things that you're going to want to know before you dive in.
So first, it's going to need a nearby electrical outlet because it has the heated seats, the warm watering bidet, auto everything lighting, the whole 9 yards. But we planned for that in our remodel. So if your bathroom doesn't have one close, you're going to need to add one or have an electrician add one. It's not a huge deal for us do-it-yourself folks, but it is definitely something you need to plan for or budget for. Secondly, up front, it is definitely a bigger investment compared to a basic toilet, but you definitely get tons of functionality and features that make this investment worth it. While it's held up really great with our family of 6, any high-tech thing means that if you get something that glitches down the line, nothing like that has happened for us so far in the last several months we've used it. You would have to deal with warranty support instead of just swapping a regular part out. We haven't needed that yet, but it is definitely something to consider. One other tiny thing, if we ever lose power, this thing needs a special CRP2 battery that is not included. It does come with a battery box that just plugs into the back of the toilet. They make it easy, and then it will only do flushes during blackouts. Not a big deal.
All those little quirks are definitely not deal breakers for us, and it has definitely not impacted us loving this thing daily. The hygiene, the ease of use, and the comfort of this toilet all outweigh those by a mile, in my opinion. But it's good to go in with your eyes wide open to all of the possibilities. If your setup matches, I say definitely go for it. It has been a massive upgrade for our household. All right, y'all, the moment you've all been waiting for, how we installed this Casta Diva toilet in under 15 minutes. My handy hubby did most of the heavy lifting, and he said this is the easiest toilet install he's ever done in his life.
So first things first, we had the drywall open to add a GFCI outlet. It's required for smart features, so guys, safety first in a bathroom. While we were in there, we decided to move the water inlet to the other side. The original spot was super visible, it was right out in the open, and we just didn't love how it looked. So we relocated it using a PEX and a shark bite to the hidden side, out of sight, out of mind. It was a quick plumbing shift, nothing necessary, but it definitely made the final look so much cleaner. We also put the plug directly behind the toilet, so it's completely hidden. No ugly cords showing. This thing is light years ahead of its time. Not just in its features, but in the entire install process as a whole. If you have ever installed an old school toilet, you definitely know the struggle. You're holding a heavy porcelain beast while trying to line up those 2 little bolts perfectly on the flange without throwing your back out. It is not fun. This Casta Diva system is a total game changer. It comes with these 2 little L-shaped mounting brackets that bolt right onto your existing floor flange. We had a standard one already there. So you assemble them with the provided bolts and nuts, you tighten them down, and then you just set the toilet straight down onto the provided wax ring. No awkward balancing act. Then you screw it in from the sides through those little access holes in the brackets. Super straightforward. We had it out of the box and installed in less than 15 minutes. I'm not kidding. If you've done a standard toilet before, you will be blown away by how much easier this is. So then your last step is going to be hooking up the water. It comes with this little T-valve that splits your existing water line. So you screw the main connection onto your shutoff valve, and then you attach the toilet's inlet hose and the bidet hose on the other side. And voila, you are done.
If this video made you laugh, cringe, or want to upgrade your own throne, go ahead and hit that like button now. If you have any questions about what we've done here, or the toilet, or any of the tweaks that we've done, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. I'll read every single one. To my subscribers, you guys are straight up legends, okay? You rock. Every like, every comment, every share keeps this channel alive, and I definitely could not do this without you. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. If you want to go ahead and spoil yourself, go ahead and click that link down in the description below to get your own Casta Diva Max. It helps this channel at 0 extra cost to you. And if you want to go ahead and share this video with that person still living in 1995, because this is a gateway toilet, and using a standard toilet now just feels like camping. Y'all, we survived the half bath renovation and we came out with the luxury spa in our tiniest room. If you're interested to watch the dust, the drama, and the glow up, go ahead and watch this video next.